Hi friends, when you only get your hair professionally cut once a year and you are lucky enough to have that be with one of the best in the business, it becomes a celebration. In this video, I'll take you along for my annual hair makeover with Jayne Matthews. Welcome to the Dress Up Mom. I have always loved experimenting with my hair. I have worn it so many different ways in my lifetime, from super long to a super short pixie and everything in between. 6 years ago, I met Jayne Matthews, and I have been so fortunate to be able to get an annual haircut from her. During the rest of the year, I trim and maintain my cut myself using her online tutorials. This is something that I never thought I'd be able to do. And now with time and practice, I feel pretty comfortable doing it and I really enjoy it. If you aren't familiar with Jayne and her online tutorials, I will link other videos I've done on her in the description below. Last year, I saw Jayne right after I finished my cancer treatments and I asked her for a fierce haircut. She gave me a pixie mullet, which was perfect and felt so cool. Here's how it grew out with me maintaining it over the last 12 months or so. I'm definitely now ready for something new. Maybe something softer, more feminine, and a little romantic. Let's see what Jayne thinks. She's so wonderful about figuring out where to place things so that they set off your eyes and your cheekbones and make you look great, and she has never led me astray. I live in San Diego and I see Jayne in her Los Angeles studio, which is about 2 hours away, sometimes 3 depending on traffic. Because of that, my husband and I usually go up and spend a couple nights up there, make it a little getaway. Like I said, it's a hair celebration. We stay at our favorite downtown LA hotel, the Figueroa. Founded in 1926, the hotel was established to provide a haven for professional women, allowing them to lodge without the requirement of a male escort. At that time, not only could a single woman traveling alone face physical danger and social ridicule, she could also be denied lodging unless accompanied by a male chaperone. From the outset, Hotel Figueroa has provided a safe haven for women travelers. The hotel continues to champion women's causes and is run by women. All the art in the property is also by women artists. Following a dazzling 2-year restoration inspired by its original 1926 Spanish colonial splendor, the hotel has reemerged as an urban oasis in LA's cultural epicenter. The rooms are really comfy, the food and drinks are great, and I really feel at home here. We're getting ready to head out. I'll take you along as we watch Jayne work her hair magic.
I recommend traveling with the Dress Up Mom. Life is good.
This time we checked out 2 places for dinner we hadn't been to before. The first was Bavel and was recommended by Jayne. It is a Middle Eastern restaurant from an acclaimed husband and wife team. The place was outstanding and we thoroughly enjoyed everything we got here.
I'm here with the Dress Up Mom.
The next night we went to 71 Above, which is perched nearly 1,000 feet above Los Angeles and offers elevated modern American cuisine with breathtaking 360-degree views of the city. It was a little foggy and overcast, but we could get the idea, and it was also a fun time. But back to the hair. Heading out, we'll see what I come back with. I always bring a little gift for Jayne too, so see ya.
I love this. It looks really, really great.
This?
I mean, this, okay. first things first.
Mm-hmm.
This is round.
Mm-hmm.
So I think when you're doing the layers class, you need to move aside the front and the back and just take right behind your ear
Okay.
and almost treat right behind your ear like its own little bang section and go like this.
Really?
Yeah.
Because I've been cutting into it.
Yeah, it needs a little bit more like right behind the ear.
Right behind? Okay.
Hard to teach, but like you just reach back there and do
Okay.
almost like a V,
Okay.
if you can think about this.
Okay.
Pull it straight out, like just that hunk there,
Mhm.
and go short to long,
Okay. Like I would.
like
I would on
bangs,
the end
and that's
or
what
the
it will
side.
do.
Okay.
And that's just the start, just when you do this. But this is looking great. I love the mop top.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I know that you're here. It's time for a change. You keep it up beautifully.
Thank you. That means a lot.
It's always interesting when I haven't seen you in a year and I see like your work and mine put together.
I love it.
It's really cool. It's really fun.
Yeah.
And I bet you get compliments all the time.
I do. Like, who
Yeah.
cuts your hair? I'm like, well,
I mean, you really do at that
a
point.
pro once a year, but then I keep it up. What? I was like, what?
Well, I mean, look at it. It looks super good.
Thank you. Thanks.
And it's different than any haircut most people have.
Mhm.
You know what I mean? It doesn't
Yeah.
look like a paint by numbers shag. It's more interesting. So I'm really excited by it.
Yeah.
So what are you thinking today? What are you feeling?
Honestly, I don't know. I'm completely open to whatever. You know, my only criteria is that it's something that's going to grow out cool, which your stuff always does, and that it's going to look cool and modern.
It's gonna look cool and modern. I'm gonna be honest. I
Yeah.
think this is the prettiest part of your whole hair right now.
Okay.
Is like these.
Mm-hmm.
They look so good that if all of this was kind of cut away,
Yeah.
not as much of a mullet, which means this is really short, but actually a little bit more of like a shag,
Okay.
but really quite shaggy on top. Just kind of getting rid of this whole ball of hair
Love it.
with some little bangs, and then really leaving this kind of like full and long.
Yeah, I know that today when I was getting ready, I'm like, oh, this part I
The
kind of
length
like.
is really cute. I
Okay.
think we should keep the length.
Okay, let's keep the length.
I think we should keep the length. I think we should cut the whole bangs
Okay.
shorter.
I'm all for that.
So cute. And I think we should cut the crown shorter too, and then just really leave this growing in.
Okay.
So you can just work on bangs and crown for the next year and like
Leave all the sides.
yeah, really leave the sides. Eventually you're gonna need a little trim, and I'll make sure there's nothing like really yucky.
Okay.
But I think you should kind of grow it in
Okay.
and keep it shaggy here, because you've had it short, quite a bit shorter for
I
a while
have.
now.
That's true.
You
Yeah.
know?
I'm definitely game for that. Excellent.
Oh my God, you're gonna look so cute with shorter bangs. Yeah, love it. Love it. I'll lift your eye corners up, get your cheekbonies in there.
Great.
We'll leave the rest like longer. Yay.
Okay.
Love.
Got it.
Cool. There they are.
There they are, my hairs.
great. That looks great.
You like it?
All right, I like it, I like it, I like it. Very nice.
Another year, another amazing, magical Jayne cut. I always love getting to catch up with her, and I enjoy our conversations so much. I went in without a clear vision of what I wanted, and I knew that Jayne just wouldn't steer me wrong. I really love how she takes the time to look at your face and your features and play around with things to figure out what is going to look best on you. I'm really glad we kept the length, and I'm loving these sort of shorter bangs and crown. It does feel softer, more feminine, and a little romantic. I can always, put it up if I want to for a different look. This is also going to grow out so nicely, and Jayne gave me tips on how to maintain it over the course of the next 12 months or so. It was a fun time all around, and I really look forward to these annual LA hair celebrations. Are you also a Jayne fan? I would love to know that in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time, have fun and dress it up a little. If you're already a subscriber, thank you, and I love you. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and tap the bell for notifications.